Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here on a free remote access software. There's a computer version, there's also a smartphone mobile version. And you're probably asking yourself, well, why would I need this? Well, if you're running your repeater on the internet, whether it's through Zello, whether it's not, or a different app, Echo Link or whatever, however you're doing it, you can get this software for free. Like I said, they have a PC version, they have a phone version. So you can go. I'll post the links to the description down below. There's a couple things I want you to know about this. I'm not going to go into a lot of depth with this program. There's probably a ton of videos on YouTube that show you how to configure this. But I do want to show you a couple little things so that you're kind of aware of it. This program will let you connect remotely and you'll be able to see the exact same screen as if you were sitting in front of the computer that has the repeater software on it, or software link to the internet, however you want to call it. So you could be in another country and connect and remotely do what you got to do and restart the computer and all that good stuff. But one thing I want to point out, when you get the software installed, make sure you check mark Start TeamViewer with Windows, and then if you want to make it easy, check mark easy access, whatever name you use that is granted. This saves you from trying to type in passwords. Now, I did blotch out, obviously. I don't want people knowing my ID or my password, so that's why this is all blacked out. That's the reason why. But I'd recommend installing the software, getting your phone or another computer, maybe go into another room and get this set up and make sure you can connect just fine without problems. That's what I would recommend, obviously, before you start going far away from the repeater. So that's one thing I want to mention. The second thing I want to mention is if your Windows requires you to log in after you restart, I would highly suggest one of two things. One, go into your user Windows setting and disable it, because obviously if you restart the computer and you're not sitting in front of the computer, it's going to be kind of hard for you to enter the password when you're doing this remotely. You want to be able to restart the computer and come back online without being in front of the computer. So either go into the Windows user profile under settings and change it so that it does not require a password. The other option is, and I'll post a link to the description below, Microsoft has a free program you run once, and it lets you enter in the password, and then it automatically enables it. You don't have to do any settings. I'll show you here. Let me go ahead and let's close this out. Let's erase this, and let's go ahead. It's called autologin. Okay, this is what right here, and you enter this, and this is what it comes up as. I'm not going to do it. I already enabled it. This is my username. When I restart Windows, this is the username that comes up. This is the name of the computer. And then the password, I just punch this in now and I hit enable. That's it. That's all you got to do. Now when I restart the computer, I don't have to retype in the password. I don't have to try to go into the Windows setting and try to find how to disable that. So I'll post a link to that. This is from Microsoft. So I'll post a link to that. And like I said, the idea is hooking to this remotely so that you can come to this program if you're using Zello, and you can adjust your mic and do all your settings remotely, which you may need to do if you need to, whether it's on the phone or whether it's on through another computer. Like I said, this is going to be kind of a handy program. Now, maybe in the future I'll do more of an in-depth video on this, but it's pretty simple. Just, there's I believe there's a help forum that you can go to for the TeamViewer, or actually it's called TeamViewer, I believe is the right name of calling it. But you want to make sure that you have it start up automatically when Windows starts, and make sure you disable your Windows login, or you're going to be in trouble. You're going to be remotely away from that computer, and you're going to do something and do a restart, and it ain't going to come back online because you're not in front of it to enter in the password. So make sure that you're be aware of that. But it will do exactly, it will mirror, or you will see the exact same screen as if you're sitting in front of that computer. You'll see your start bar, you'll see all your icons, everything. So it's like I said, it's like you sitting in front of that computer. And it's a free program, so this is great for remote access. So I'll post the links down below. And yeah, so I'd want to bring that to your attention. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. And please subscribe. And thank you, and have a good day.